1 over cosine times cosine is
Yeah.
1.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah. What you can't do is you can't, remember, since we're verifying, you can't work across the equal sign. That's all that matters, okay?
Yeah.
So like here, we've got a double angle. Immediately, get rid of it, right? They serve no purpose in this problem, they just make things difficult. So sine of 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. And now since we've introduced sines and cosines to the problem, let's have everything in terms of sine and cosine. So this is 1 over cosine theta. This is 2 sine theta cosine theta, right? And when cosecant's in the bottom, I know we've talked about this before. I'll just do this. You know, cosecant is 1 over sine. The switcheroo is in play here, where if cosecant ever shows up on the bottom, 1 over cosecant is equal to sine, right? That's the switcheroo, where we can, in a fraction that's equal to a non-fraction, we can just swap those two parts. So that's happening in this case. I don't want the cosecant to be on the bottom. Cosecant on the bottom is equal to sine on the top, if you will. Okay, and then we have 2 sine theta cosine theta. If you want to put that over 1, we're just going to multiply those fractions together, right? Over cosine theta. So, as I said, I don't believe these problems to be more challenging. It's just more information to process, more possibilities to bring into the problem. Okay, so we get 2 sine theta equals 2 sine theta. All right, it's not a ton of content here. What I used to do in the past is then I'd give my students this challenge, because some people are like, okay, I like these, okay. So I have 3 different levels, and this is just if you're looking for a challenge and you want to try something. This is what I would consider the bronze medal. If you can do this on your own, you get, it's difficult, but it's not horrible. The silver is, again, a step up. And the gold is a step up of the step up of the step up. And just because it's more difficult doesn't mean it takes you longer. It means like, oh, okay, like the problem that we were talking about yesterday, where it's like, look at how sneaky we can be. We multiply the top and bottom by a fraction, right? Same idea. Just because I'm saying it's difficult doesn't mean it's going to take you 30 minutes. And these are optional. This is just, you know, if you want, if you're like, I like these, and you want a challenge, this would be challenging, I would say. Only in the regard that it's a little tricky, a little sneaky. This one, same thing, same thing. You can do a lot of things to this problem that will take you a long time to do it, or you can do one thing and be done. And then there's this one right here. So, totally optional. For you at home, optional. If you like these types of things and you want to give it a shot, go for it.